Guys, hopefully you all are doing great. So today I'm sharing this macaroni recipe with you guys. It's gonna be based on tahini sauce. So it's gonna be a macaroni in a tahini sauce. It's a new recipe, it's delicious, it's great. And so let's go watch the video. So here guys, we have the macaronis. We're gonna put it in a boiling water so they go all in there. We're gonna add some salt and a tiny bit oil, so it's gonna keep our macaronis soft. So we're gonna boil these macaronis at least for 10 to 15 minutes. Alright, so it's been 15 minutes. We're gonna drain the water right here, putting some cold water right on top. Okay, so now let's move on to the next process. So here we're gonna take a separate pan. So we're gonna add some oil in the bottom, just like that. Now we're gonna put our macaronis in there. I'm adding some garlic powder. Some salt. A tiny bit of red chili pepper, so it gives a nice kick to it. Now guys, this is the sauce I've been talking about. This is the tahini sauce. You can write down the name if you want. It's kind of a sesame paste, and that's how it looks. So we're gonna add some of the sauce right on top. So here we're gonna give it a stir. And voila, this is halfway done. This is almost done. So on top of it, I'm gonna add some tomato sauce. So the tomato sauce gonna give a sweet kick to our macaroni. We're gonna give it a stir. And it's almost done. So guys, this is almost done. So here I have some sesame seeds. We're gonna sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. And here you go. This is beautifully done. Very easy to make. Anyone can cook it in literally 15 minutes. A tahini macaroni. Alright, here guys, we're gonna dish this out. Just like that. It smells so wonderful. It smells almost nutty, you know, and sesame and nutty. I'm sprinkling the remaining sesame on top. Some tiny bit of tomato sauce, some black pepper, as you guys saw how beautiful, easy and simple this recipe is. You should try this recipe in a restaurant, or you should try this recipe at home. If you have 15 minutes, and you want to try something new. So I would suggest try this recipe. Let's take the first bite. It has the taste of peanut butter, sesame seed, a little bit tomatoey, and tiny bit hot from the red chili powder. So this is something new I wanted to share with you guys. Anyway guys, do let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye now.